Go.
Hello everyone. I'd like to take an opportunity to show you everything that we have implemented here at Europtical for your safety during these unusual times. One of the first things you're going to notice is we've installed a paper towel dispenser. Grab your paper towel. No need to touch the door handle. Open the door. Take your foot. Come on in. And we have a garbage dispenser here. Put your foot on it, drop it in there, and everything is good. When you come inside, you're going to notice quite a few changes. We've been open right from the start of everything, so we've been able to make all these changes throughout the time very successfully. One of the first things you're going to notice is that we've placed 6-foot social distancing stickers throughout the office, just as a reminder. We also have used new chairs. They are a full leather, don't worry, and they are sanitized each and every time after someone has used them. When you enter the office, we got a little sanitizing station. I know you probably already did when you came in, but it never hurts to do a little too much extra on that. Before you came in for your exam, hopefully you had a chance to go online and fill out all your forms online. That way we can print them off. You don't have to touch clipboards, pens. We can have them in your chart. I can review them. And it's just one less thing that you need to touch. If you forgot, we do get busy. We have sanitized clipboards. We do have golf pencils, and you get to keep it when you leave. We don't need it back. The paper goes into a tray. I look at the piece of paper. It sits there for a minimum of 3 hours, usually the next day, before it actually goes into your chart. If you have glasses with you, we have a tray that we're using. Glasses will be placed into the tray. Glasses are then put into a sanitizing unit. We have a UV sanitizer. And whoever's working in there, we'll all be wearing masks. It's a little bit easier for that right now. Glasses are in here. They're put in for 90 seconds, sanitized. 99.9% of all the viruses will have disappeared, and it will be able to evaluate your glasses and get the eye exam started. I'll bring you into the exam room. I've made quite a few changes here in the past few weeks. One of the first things you're going to notice is I've installed paper onto the chair. Keep in mind the chair has already been disinfected since the last person was in here. We also have paper onto the bench for extra items such as your purse or your coat, so those can be placed in there also. Once we come in for the exam, I will already have had my mask on, but one thing that I've been doing with everyone is that I give plenty of space. I will be down here with your chart. We review your medical history, any of your complaints, or vitamin questions, or what else you want to talk about. Keep in mind, patients are being spaced out at a minimum of an hour, so there's plenty of clear space before the next person comes in. When it's time for the exam, I'm going to be down here facing a little bit different this time. I'm going to be facing the wall. You're going to be looking at the chart. We'll have our exchange of information while I check your eyes. And then when I move on to looking at the ocular health of your eye, I'm going to ask that we keep our conversation to a minimum. But I've also installed an extra shield, an acrylic shield in front of my slit lamp, just as an extra protective barrier, in addition to both of us having our masks on. When the eye exam is completed, all the surfaces are cleaned with hydrogen peroxide, and we also have a medical grade disinfectant. Both of these products are left on the surface for a minute, up to 2 minutes, before they are removed. Another item I was fortunate to get was a UVC sanitizer. This unit is used for 15 minutes at the end of the day to completely sanitize the room and to remove any viruses. It is also used throughout the day. In the end of the evening, we're also using it on the dispensary area for a period of 60 minutes. A couple other things when you're finished with the exam I'd like to show you. If you're coming in to pick up your contacts or your glasses, we're doing a drive-through service. So we're using our tray. You'll have your glasses or contacts in there. We'll open our handy little drive-through window. You can drive up into that space, call ahead of time. We do like if you call ahead of time because we can space things out accordingly. Or if you're just sitting in your car, hand us the contacts, hand us your credit card. Also, keep in mind if you do your credit card exchange on the phone before you get here, it will just make it a lot easier for you. However, if you do not, we're going to sanitize your credit card with an antiseptic wipe, run the card, hand it back to you in our hands after it has already been sanitized. A couple of changes we made as far as when you're checking out here in the office. We have our credit card machine up front here. You do not have to touch anything. Insert your card. We'll go ahead and run the transaction. You can remove your card. If indeed you have a little PIN you got to put in, you can have yourself a Kleenex. Go ahead and put in your code. Keep the Kleenex, throw it out, and everything is good. On your way out, don't be shy to grab a little more sanitizer. Follow me. I want to show you one more thing we've done here in the office. Just as when you're coming in, we've also installed a paper towel dispenser. Grab the paper towel, grab the door handle. Do keep in mind, we sanitize the entire office after every person. We wipe down all the door handles, bathroom door handles, even upstairs. So if you really got some skills, you can open the door, get your foot over here, open the dispenser, drop it in, and come on out. Hopefully this has shown you some of the implementations we made here at Europtical for the safety and health of you during these unusual times. We hope to see you soon. Have a wonderful day.